film what's going on. Take the crown board off. And that is what you get when you take the crown board off. Notice the bees are very calm.
So that's obviously the barrier to stop the queen
this
coming
is the queen
up.
excluder. I'll let it take off. You always check the underside of the queen excluder to make sure the queen is not on there. When you're happy, let's just very gently put down like that. And that is some bees busy working the comb. You'll notice the way the bees are sitting very tight on the combs. That's a sign, good sign. These are Cannellonian queens, which seem a lot better tempered than the buckfasts. Here we come to it. That is what I'm looking for. Masses of cut brood.
In this hive?
Probably 30,000 plus. See that side, you see it's sitting very tight on the comb, and that's what you do, keeping the brood warm. There's eggs in all those empty cells. I'm just looking for the queen, see if she's about. Do we even get a shot of her? There she is, look.